Babe, have fun now. Have fun. Give me your control now. Have fun.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
I won't call you now. No.
Sorry, do I know you from somewhere?
Must you know me before you give me your number? I'll wait till this up now. Oh yeah, beg, give me your control. Give me your number. Okay, give me your account number. Which bank do you use? I won't send you money.
You be mumu.
I dey use Zenith Bank, UBA, and OPay.
You got pay account? Oh yeah, call and make I send you 100K sharp.
10
Mm-hmm.
42
Mm-hmm.
49 64.
No worry, I will send you money this night. You understand? No worry, I will send you money.
Who is this? Hello?
Hello, paper.
Who is this?
I mean, just play a number. No, worry. Don't check my number. Yeah, no worry.
Thief, you forgot say that number you won't collect. Thief, you just dey whine yourself. Only.
Yeah!